Nice guys, it's actually adding our Microsoft reward points. Hey your people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited Microsoft reward points rewards guys. Absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software that would harm your device guys. It's all online and free, and I will show you step by step how you can actually get this, and later we will test it. Does it actually work live? So let's start guys. You can do it with your Android or your iOS devices, and guys go to your Microsoft rewards. So as you can see, that's our available points and that's our today's points. So guys, for this we will have to know our email or our name. So I will copy my email and we will proceed in the next step. So we will go to this website guys. It's called appsneak.com. You will find it easily guys. Go there and then let's search for Microsoft rewards. Click there and then we will have to enter our Microsoft rewards email or name as I said. So we copied ours. I will enter mine and click continue. So guys, it should start searching for our user account. As you can see, user found, you should get that message. And guys, we're connected to our mail. So now we will have to select our reward points amount. I will select almost 1 million, click there guys. And then we will wait for this third step to load up. And as you can see, API is connecting. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials. I will record more and review more websites. So guys, nice, API is connected, and we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot guys, and it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our Microsoft reward points. So we'll have a list of 6 free tasks and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So guys, complete 2 tasks from this list by your choice. So you can do literally whatever you want. You can download game, you can download app, you can complete these simple questionnaires. It's literally up to you what you want to complete. So what will I do now? I will download Domino Dreams and Playful Rewards. So how will I do it? Just click free. Just click go and it will start downloading from the official publishers. I mean, if you're using your Android phone, it will start downloading from Google Play, and if you're using your iOS devices, it will start downloading from the App Store. So it's all from the official publishers and free, and you don't have to worry. And guys, after this there is also one more important step, and it's to follow their instructions. So for Domino Dreams, I will install it, open and complete chapter 5, and for Playful Rewards I will download, install this, then run it, then play 3 games for 5 minutes. So that's pretty much it. What will I do now guys? See you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
1 minute later.
Okay guys, I've just completed this and this task from this list. As I said, Domino Dreams and Playful Rewards, I have completed their instructions and I got this message. You completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text guys. I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened. It should redirect us every single second. So let's wait and let's see does it actually work. So nice guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Reward points are on the way guys. Our mail and our reward points, and guys, I'm so excited to open our Microsoft rewards once again and to see does it actually work. So let's see. Nice guys, it's actually adding our Microsoft reward points. It works amazing guys. We ordered almost 1 million and we got 1 million points. So let's click on redeem and let's see does it actually work. Yeah guys, it works amazing. As you can see, we got it for free. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.